Welcome to this quick tutorial. If you're concerned about your privacy while using the X app, you're not alone. Many users want to take more control over how their data is used, especially by features like Grok and third-party collaborators. Today, I'll show you how to disable these options easily and effectively. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Then tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on Settings and Support to expand the menu. Then select Settings and Privacy from the list. Under the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Safety. Now scroll down until you find a section labeled Grok and third-party collaborators. In that section, you will see two toggle options. One is Allow your public data as well as your interactions. The other is Allow your X data as well as your interactions. Turn both of these toggles off to stop sharing your data with Grok and third parties. Taking these steps will give you more control over your personal information and how it's used by X. In conclusion, protecting your digital privacy is important. Disabling Grok data sharing is a simple step that ensures your interactions stay more private. Thanks for watching, and stay informed.